Hey guys, it's open house time again. I'm out in Gerald and oh, it's telling me I need to turn my home. Hi Prime Guy. Anyways, I'm here from 1 to 3 today out in Gerald. Give me a private message right over there since I have this thing turned sideways, and I'm happy to send you the address or give you a private showing yourself. But let's go ahead and go inside. We're in a cute newer development out here in Gerald, but let me flip this around so you can actually see. Where's my little flippy? There it is. All right, so of course, as always, if you need me, give me a call, 832-620-2197, or you can visit me online on centraltexasbuysell.com. And if you follow the signs up the driveway, you have a 2-car garage. And we're gonna come into our cute little landscaped area. I can see some cute flowers coming in the spring. Walk into our front entry so that come into the door. No solicitors. Shh. And here's our entry. We come in and you have another little alcove right there that will take you to the 2-car garage from the inside. But to the right, we have the carpeted dining room with that great window looking out front. And if you're me, that's your Christmas tree window. But, oh, and I missed it. There's the little door going from the kitchen into the dining room. Yes. But here's your little alcove. I could see a cute little table right here. Come in, drop your keys, drop your shoes off. Come into the shared living space of the living room and a little area for little bar stools right over here on your little bar area. Go into your kitchen with your range. You've got castled cabinets, you got your double sink. Come around the corner, you have your fridge, another cabinet area, and you have your pantry. And the easy to clean shelves that won't get all dusty and gross. And then, oh, and you have your raised panel doors throughout the home. And adorable, lovely plank flooring. Come into your little hallway alcove where you're going to come into, hi, that's me, your bathroom. This is your second bathroom. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And your vanity. Then you come into the hallway that takes you to your laundry room, which is right next to your secondary bedrooms, but it already has the place to hang clothes right out of the dryer. Don't know about you, but I love it. Here's one of the bedrooms. They're good-sized bedrooms. And I'm just going to show you this feature. And it doesn't come with the home, obviously, but if you have a girl that's into it, look what they did. Isn't that adorable? I love that. I'm sorry. I just think that is just gorgeous. And of course you have your window in here. They've got curtains. And then you have your closet that wraps all the way there and all the back. All right. But let's close this and go out and go into the other secondary bedroom. Oh, you also have, I apologize, you have a coat closet right here. And then you have another door where you have your linen closet. All those extra sheets and blankets for when it's too hot out to have more than one blanket on the bed. Here's your other secondary bedroom. And the window. They've just got the blinds in here. But then you have your closet. And again, it does the same. You go in all the way that way and all the way back the other way. All right. Won't show you much more in there. There's obviously still stuff in there that the owners haven't moved out yet. Your thermostat's out here in the hallway so that you don't end up with a really extreme hot or cold ends of the house. Your back door has the window that will go into your backyard. Backyard could use a little bit of help, but you'll notice, okay, there's your fence. See it? There's your fence. And then if you go up here, there's another fence because there's a large gap between the two homes. So your back neighbor isn't right on top of you, which is a great thing if you're like me and you like a little space. This is from the living room, looking back into the kitchen, dining room, towards the hallway, the entry in that garage door. But let's go into the master bedroom. And forgive me, the light's not on. Not sure why. So we have, of course, that's probably where you're going to put your lovely bed. You have enough room in here for a king-size bed. Your dresser over there. You can put another little nook over here as you come in the door, just for like a little office in the bedroom or another dressing area. And forgive me, the light's not on in here. And then you have a large mirror and cabinets underneath. And you have your shower and your water closet. And then you have your large walk-in closet wrapping all the way around. And it has this little blank wall over here, which if you're like me, you put a tall boy over there. I'm sorry, that wasn't your water closet. This is an additional linen closet. I apologize, I misspoke. I love the closet space in this home. It gives you enough space where you can actually put everything. But that is this adorable 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Gerald, under $200,000. You're still commutable into Austin. So give me a call. This is Gwenna with eXp Realty, if you can't notice by the sign. Give me a call and I would be happy to help you out, or visit me at centraltexasbuysell.com. Bye guys.